In this video, I'll show you how you can reset Steam games and delete all the saved files. Now, first what you want to do is you want to head over to Steam right here and come into your library. Then from in here, you're going to select the game. Let's say I choose the Counter-Strike 2. I'm going to right click on it and hit Properties. Now from in here, you want to make sure that you disable Steam Cloud just like this, because if it's enabled, then it will just transfer the data. So you want to make sure it's off just like this, and then you want to head over to installed files. From install files, press browse and it will take you to the Steam folder. Now if you have it on another drive, your Steam folder, you will have to search manually for it. Just go into the drive and find the Steam. You want to head over to Steam right here, and within Steam there should be a folder that says user data, and this is basically where all your stuff is saved. So once you have turned off the Steam Cloud like that, you're gonna delete user data folder. Now when you delete this and you turn off the cloud, when you then start up the game again, it will have removed everything that you have saved. So basically you're making the game as a brand new. So that's how you can do it on Steam, guys. It's super simple, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.